You can see we have created a ceiling plan. So this tutorial is basically about how we can create ceiling plans in Revit. So to create ceiling plan, firstly we create some walls. Let's we create a level 1 to level 2. After that, to create or to model ceiling, here is the option of ceiling. Simply click here. After that, you can see there is a two option: automatic ceiling and sketch ceiling. As this plan is a rectangular plan and this is the closed plan, so we can use this option to create ceiling. For those plans which are not enclosed, we can use this option to sketch these ceiling. So here is a different type of ceilings: 2 by 4 inch ceiling, 2 by 2 inch ceiling, and these are the other types. So we can create another type of ceiling from our. So simply we place a ceiling from this option, automatic ceiling. Simply click here. We have created a ceiling plan. So to view the ceiling plan, we can go here, the ceiling plan, level 1. So you can see we have created a ceiling plan. Now we see from 3D view. Let's click on it. So this is the wall we have created from level 1 to level 2. So this is the ceiling we have created. To view this, we can hide any component from this option. This is the temporary hide or isolate component. So we want to view the ceiling plan or ceiling from here. We simply hide this wall. Click here, hide element. So in this way we can hide any element or isolate any geometry to view our required things. So this is the ceiling we have created. As you can see, we can change the type of ceiling. This is a 2 by 4 ceiling. We can change 2 by 2 ceiling, and these are the other options: generic simple ceiling, and this is also a simple ceiling. Let's use 2 by 4 ceiling. So we can install any light bulbs or any light fixture on the ceiling. So to install any light fixture, we firstly go here in ceiling plan, level 1. Now this is the option of component. So from here we can install any component in our model. These are different kind of components: lights, then desks, or you can say furniture plans, parking space, then trees. These are the different options. Or we can import any option from our pre-built family from Revit. So load family. So these are the options of lighting. As we can see, we firstly go in English interior family. As you can see, there are different type of categories and different type of objects here. We select lighting. Click here. Two types of lighting: architecture and MEP. Let's select architecture. We want to install external or internal lighting. We want to install internal lighting. Click here. So you can see these are the different options. From this preview you can see we have different type of light bulbs, or we can create light bulb from its own. We can create a family of light bulb we want to use in our project. These are the pre-built or light bulbs from the Revit. We can use any light bulbs. Let's select ceiling light linear box or rectangular LED bulb. Let's choose this bulb, open. So we can change the dimensions of this bulb. From here, let's choose this type. Where you want to install this bulb or this light fixture, you can install. These are the temporary dimensions giving us the hint. Let's install here. Then let's install here. And let's install here. As you can see, this is giving us the voltage and specific information of these bulb. So this is a 120 volt bulb. So let's we choose another type of bulbs. These are the different types, 120 to 77 volt. Let's choose another type of bulb. Here is the ceiling light. These are, you can see, 120 volt to 77 volt, then 2 by 2 to 77 volt. Let's choose this option. So we can place these bulb here. Let's choose another type of option. These are the ceiling lights, flat round, 60 watt and 120 volts. Then these are different type of bulbs. Let's place here and place here and place here. Or you can say place here, place. After that, we can change the dimensions. Let's we want to install it at 19 feet. From here we want to 2 feet. So in this way we can install any light bulb or any light fixture here. The properties of it, voltage, we can change the voltage. Let's want a 130 volt voltage light bulb, and we can specify wattage, electrical loads. Okay, so you can see 130 voltage bulb. So another interesting option is that we can switch on or switch off this light bulb. So when we render this building or render this ceiling, then there will be option of whether you want to choose the lighting of these bulbs or these fixtures. Let's it's power on, and then you can see a different type of options here. Electrical engineers will know it's better. These are different type of options: schedule, circuit, rating, and then frame. You can edit the circuit or select different type of panels. Simply press escape, then we in 3D view. So in 3D view we can view, we have installed different type of light fixtures, as you can see. If we click on the realistic view, then you will see the the realistic view of this building or these fixtures. So from this view you can see the realistic view of these fixtures. Let's simply convert into consistent view. So these are the different type of ceiling plans. So if you want we have different kind of building. And this is a type of building, and we want a place ceiling here, in ceiling, and then sketch ceiling. So likewise other option, this has a different type of options, line, rectangle, circle, and different options. Let's choose the line option. Click here then, and press OK. So in 3D ceiling view you can see the ceiling of this building. Let's view in 3D. We have created the ceiling of this building by sketch method. So these are the different type of methods for the ceiling plans. I hope you understand this lecture. So if you have any query, any question, you can ask me in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.